Good morning, my dear students. Today in this session, we will start with English, first language, lesson number 6. Name of the lesson is Careful Analysis. What do you mean by analysis? Analysis is looking very carefully at the details of something in order to understand the whole. Analysis is a useful way to find out more about any kind of source. Whatever source we have collected, to analyze it in detail and to gather maximum information and try to clear out the matter. See here, the picture is given. You cannot see, it is not clear. So by seeing the magnifying lens, we say what it is. Here in the second picture, one advertisement is given on your way up. What on your way up? Question mark is there. We are already there. One S is written. One boy is climbing the rock. You can see over here in the picture. Below here it is SSIN. Ink dot it is written, but what it is not clear. You cannot say that what is advertisement about? What does this advertisement mean to say? This picture is an advertisement. It shows mountain environment. A man is climbing a rock. The words we are already there printed on it. In bigger fonts, the caption like words on your way up, question mark. With a question mark suggests that the advertisement has to convey something about progress, but what? The question asks the reader whether they are in the process of going further, and the words we are already there, exclamatory mark, suggests that the establishment has already reached a point in progress of going further, and the words we are already there suggests that point in progress and still their journey is on, yet not reached, not stopped. Thus, this advertisement indicates unceasing progress and probably asks the readers to join them so that they can also make progress. Advertisement means that. Now look much more carefully at the advertisement, observe the details. What are the words? What is the man like? What is he wearing? What colors are used? How big are the words? How big is the rock? How many other rocks are shown? What do you see in the foreground? What is in the background? What do you see in the grass, on the mountains? These all are the questions. And you have to find out that what does it advertisement mean to say. Already I told you the summary that the advertisement means indicates unceasing progress and probably asks the readers to join them so that they can also make progress. Now here activity 4, you can see again the same picture is given. The advertisement in activity 1 does not have a clear product the way the ads in activity 3 do, but it still uses text and an image to create feelings and thoughts. Again, this advertisement is now clear. Everything is more interesting if we look at it very closely. We can even analyze a poem, learn more about it, read the poem Waiting for the Peacock. It is given over here, I will read. And the notes will help you analyze the structure of the poem so you can see how it is written. How is waiting for a peacock to dance like waiting for a six in a cricket? It's very rare when we can see that the peacock is dancing. So poet has compared with the six in the cricket. Waiting for the peacock is like waiting for the Sachin to hit a six. Blinded by stadium lights, Diwali like crushed by cousins. Cold turning hot, sticky, sweet coke. Condensing on dirty hands. Sore and sleepy, too hopeful to live. Too soon till look. Did you see it? Yes, in plums of silver, blue and green. The poet has compared the dancing peacock with his spreaded feathers. That see, he is saying that yes, you have seen it, yes, I have seen it, with the silver, blue and green color. He is expressing the colors of the feathers, and he is comparing with the Sachin six in the stadium. Like cricket, when cricket is played, we are waiting for 6 and 4. So he says it's like waiting for the peacock when he is dancing. We have to wait to see. Oftenly we cannot see this scene. Structure of the poem, waiting for the peacock. To help you write your own poem about waiting for something, here is an example. Now one poem, waiting for Vihan, means the friend's name is Vihan. I am giving you the example that how eagerly you might be waiting when your friend is coming at home. It's waiting for the peacock, like that, waiting for the friend. Friend's name is Vihan. You can write any of your friends' name. I am giving you just an example which is given in your textbook. Waiting for a visit from my very best friend is like waiting in my room, passing back and forth imprisoned during monsoon. Means during the monsoon season we are at home, we cannot go out because of rain. Thunder crashes, the wind picks up my bicycle and hurls it. Smell of rain through the window, and I am trapped behind a wall of falling water. And then without fanfare, the world is suddenly silent till knock came cho avo, and Vihan rushes in with a wide smile and we escape into sunshine. Means waiting for the friend, he comes when the rain stops, he comes and we both went outside when it is sunshine. Waiting for is like waiting for. Use several lines that describes the thing. The waiting for is like try to use concrete words that evoke images. You have to change the dialogue, and one poem you can prepare on your own by writing your name of your friend.